How to fix screen dims when watching video on Android. This tutorial shows you how to prevent your screen from dimming automatically while watching videos on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Display. Following that, look for Screen Timeout or Auto Brightness. Now, tap on Screen Timeout. You'll see the current timeout duration set on your device. Moving forward, increase the screen timeout to a longer duration, like 10 minutes or more. This will prevent the screen from dimming too quickly while watching videos. While you're here, you can also toggle Keep Screen On while viewing. That uses your front camera to detect your face. Tap on the timeout option you prefer and select it. Afterwards, go back to Display Settings. Look for Adaptive Brightness or Auto Brightness. If it's turned on, toggle it off. Adaptive brightness can automatically dim your screen based on content. Turning it off gives you full control over your screen brightness. Now, manually adjust your brightness slider to your preferred level. Drag it to a comfortable brightness that works for watching videos. Additionally, check if battery and device care is affecting your screen. Go back to Settings and tap on Battery and Device Care. Tap on Battery. Make sure Power Saving Mode is turned off, as it can reduce screen brightness automatically. Now press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. After restarting, open any video and your screen should stay at your set brightness. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix screen dims when watching video on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.